Good morning, Senseless speaking. I'm a director call.
Hi, I'm calling you from the Senseless Bureau. I just need to ask you a few questions for your country, okay?
Okay, sir.
Do we say half a dozen because the word six is too long?
Yes.
And can guys eat chickpeas?
What's chickpeas?
Would you say you spend more time littering or loitering?
What this question is all about?
First Donna Summer, now Robin Gibb. Do you think that disco is dead?
No.
Would you believe that Al-Qaeda has claimed responsibility for the Kardashians' fame?
Oh, no.
No.
Do you think that Prius owners save more money on petrol or condoms?
Yeah, I don't know.
Did you ever stop to think that in 100 years, Facebook will have 500 million accounts of dead people on them?
Dead people.
It's
true.
Facebook won't have dead people.
They'll have...
People are alive and then they always communicate each other all the time. Yeah. That's a tricky question you gave me.
Would you buy perfume called Wet Dog?
Wet dog. No.
Do you think schools should make Angry Birds an official sport?
No.
On a scale of 1 to Adele, how bad was your last breakup?
Oh, my last boyfriend. Let's say 7.
How long were you and your husband dating before you stopped holding in your farts?
In my fart.
Yeah.
Sure, that's a tricky question. 3 months.
Do you think when a smart car pulls in, does the garage say, "Is it in yet"?
When the car is what?
Do you think when a smart car pulls in, does the garage say, "Is it in yet"?
No.
Okay, final question. Would you still support buying biofuel even if you knew it was made from leftover pasta water and children's tears?
No.
Oh, there we go. She didn't hang around at all.
Awesome, man.